Bad connection. Hi friends, it's Daphne, your smart shopper. Okay, it's Friday. It's time for my simple saving hacks to kick off your weekend without breaking the bank. Okay, the weather is going to be warming up. You know, April's kind of like an up and down month where we get hot, we get cool, we get hot, we get cool. And that means the scorpions sightseeing are going to be around. So you might start seeing them in your home. Well, now is the time to start getting your home ready for the scorpions to get them out of your house. So I found this recipe. It's a simple scorpion repellent recipe. Now, I've actually just recently made this myself and sprayed it around my house, but it's only been a couple of days. So I cannot testify personally that this absolutely works, that it has reduced my scorpion sightings and that, or I have no more scorpions. So maybe after this summer, I can come back and update you. But in the meantime, I wanted to share this recipe. My friend Heidi told me about this and it smells really good. It's very pleasant. I would do this and use this in addition to getting your, the other ways that you treat your scorpions and how you prevent it, like with the grains that you put outside, spray that. Make sure to spray your house every month. But this also works and it smells pleasant. So what you need to do is get an empty spray bottle and you want to put in 2 cups of water. Just pour it in. And then this whole entire recipe is made out of essential oils. So like I said, it smells very pleasant, but I can't totally testify whether this works or not because I just started using this in my house. So you want to get 20 drops of cedar essential oils, and basically every little siphon using this funnel is about 10 drops. So I'm going to put 2 droplets in here and that'll give me 20 drops. So you want to use cedar, and then you want to use 20 drops of lavender essential oil. So I'm going to do 2 droplets of it, and that gives you about 20 because each droplet is about 10 drops, okay? And then you want to also use 10 drops of lemon. This is my lemon right here. So we'll just use 1 droplet. And also you want to use 10 drops of wild orange. I love how this stuff smells. Okay, 10 drops of that. And last but not least, you want to use 5 drops of cinnamon. Let me put these all on because if this drops, it's going to make a big mess. And I'm very animated, so sorry, you have to wait for this delay. Okay, we're going to do 5 drops of cinnamon. And then you're going to shake it up and you're going to spray it around. Now, I did a little bit of research on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got that in there. And then you want to shake it all up and then you just spray it. So what I did is I sprayed it around all the openings of my home, like my window sills, my doors, things like that. I also read a little bit about this recipe. I'm not testifying to this, but I heard if you spray this directly on a scorpion, it'll kill them right away because of the cedar essential oil. This is what I read about. I didn't actually experience this, so I just want to give you a warning disclaimer, okay? I don't want to get any emails saying it didn't work. So this is it right here. Now, if this is where the money saver is, if you already have essential oils and you already use them, and you know, I use essential oils for a lot of cleaning, but I had to purchase the wild orange, the cinnamon, and the cedar wood. And this cost me about $30, but you can use it for many other things. It'll last you forever. As you can see, I practically used none of it. So your initial investment in making this can be very pricey. Another place where I recommend getting all your essential oils is bulkapothecary.com. You have to make sure that you get high quality essential oils. You don't want to chintz, especially when you're dealing with repellents here. So the other thing that I did with this was I actually put a little bit in the diffuser and kind of had it around my house, which hopefully that'll prevent the scorpions. They'll be like, ooh, I don't like that smell, and they just won't even stop at my house. So I have the full recipe, complete recipe, posted on my blog. Just head over to smartshopperdaphne.com. So there's your simple saving hack for the weekend. And also don't forget, on a side note, total squirrel moment, over at Fry's, it's Friday, you know, Fry's does a freebie download. By any chance, cameraman, do you know what that freebie is today?
Tic Tac gum.
Tic Tac gum, there you go. So that's your freebie. So just make sure you download it on your Fry's VIP card today. You have 2 weeks to use it. You don't actually have to go to the store today, but you do need to download it. Okay, again, the full recipe of this Scorpion Repellent is posted at smartshopperdaphne.com. And as always, I appreciate your time. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.